Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the ganache because it defines texture and flavor. Heat 100 ml heavy cream until it just simmers. Once it forms tiny bubbles at the edge, pour it over 200 g chopped dark chocolate. Make sure to let it sit for 60 seconds so the chocolate melts evenly, then stir gently from the center to emulsify. Add 25 g butter and 1 tsp vanilla to smooth and shine the mixture. This step controls mouthfeel and sets. Once the ganache is smooth and glossy, you need to control temperature to shape it cleanly. Cool to room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes, then refrigerate until firm but scoopable, about 1 to 2 hours. Use a small scoop or a tablespoon to portion. This ensures consistent size and even setting. Then roll quickly between your palms. Damp hands help, keeping movement swift so the ganache doesn't melt. Make sure to work on a cool surface to maintain shape. You finish by coating and decorating, which affects appearance and snap. Temper or gently melt about 150 g dark chocolate. If you temper, the shell will be glossy and crisp. Dip each chilled truffle, tap off excess, and place on parchment. Alternatively, roll in cocoa powder or nuts for rustic texture. Allow coated truffles to set in a cool area. If chocolate blooms or streaks, remelt and retemper the coating. This restores shine and prevents a gritty finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.